Hello, dear student. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and fine and you all are doing well. So, today's our grammar topic is adjectives. In the last class, we learned about pronoun and types of the pronoun. And today's topic is adjective. What is adjective and what are the types of adjective? Let's see. So, adjective. What is adjective? Do you have any idea? Yes, adjective are words that describe the noun. Okay, if you written any noun and we want to describe that noun, so we are using adjective. Those words, okay, as an adjective that describe the noun. Okay, one example I will tell you that suppose Seema is a girl, but if I want to explain about her, so I can say that Seema is a tall girl. So we are giving more information about her. So you can understand that she is a tall girl. So this tall word is called as adjective. So what is adjective? So adjectives are those words that describes the noun. For describing noun, we are using adjective. Here see, adjectives answer such a question. Even you can find out such a question's answer, that is what kind, which one, how many. Okay, these questions you can get answer by using adjective. What kind of particular thing, which one it is, or how many things are there. Yes, so particular noun or anything you want to describe with the help of adjective. So there are some types of the adjective. Let's see. Yes. So adjective can be used to describe. So adjective now we are using to describe following things. See here, color. If you want to describe about the color, you can say that this is adjective. So color, in that which one thing will come? Yes, blue, red, these all colors will comes under the color. Next one is opinion. If you want to give opinion about any person or any noun, you can use these words. See here, good, pretty, right, wrong, funny, light and happy. So opinion means what? See here, I can say that Arun is a good boy. So you can understand that yes, it is my opinion. So this good what? Adjective here. Like that, size. Adjective also used to describe size, whether that thing is big, small, long or short. You can say that I have big house, or you can say that my ball is big than Arun's ball. Yes, so small, our kitchen is small. He is long, he is short. So these size also called as adjective. Next one is age. Age means you can say that that particular person I visited, he was old, he was young. So this age also described as a adjective. Next one is shape. Now you can use these shapes as an adjective here. Round, triangle, rectangular, square and oval. You can say that apple is what? Yes, you can say that apple is round, apple is oval, then my carom board is a square. Yes, so for showing or describing shapes, you can use adjective. Next one is origin. That particular thing is there where it origin. Yes, so German, Malaysia, these are the places here. Even you can say that and you can use as a adjective here. Next one, material. So material in that glass or metal. So that is the metal. Yes, you can say that I got that medal. It was gold medal. So you can use that particular thing as a material or as a adjective here. Next one, distance. Now distance also comes under the adjective. See here, long, short, near or far. My house is far from Deepa's house. So for showing the distance, you can use these words. These all words are called as adjectives. Next one, temperature. Even you can describe the temperature with the help of these words. See, cold, warm, hot and cool. So today's temperature was cold. You can say that yesterday's there was too much hot. Yes, so you these words as an adjective we can use in this sentence. Next one is time. So you can show the time with the help of these words, late or early. See here, late. I came late to night. You can say that. Daily early morning I am doing my homework. Yes. So these example, these late, early, these words showing the time. So these are called as adjective. So adjective can describe, got it? Yes, adjective can describe color, opinion, size, age, shape, origin, then material, distance, temperature and time. So for describing all those things we are using these words. These words are called as adjective. Got it? Now we have to see that. Then which are the types of adjectives there? Yes. So here total 7 types of adjectives here. Which are they? See here. Types of adjective, that is qualitative. You can say that descriptive adjective. Then quantitative. Then quantitative adjective, that is showing the quantity. Quality, that is showing the quality, or for describing the quality we are using this qualitative, yes, adjective. So examples we can see. Yes. Now third one is demonstrative adjective. Next, possessive adjective, interrogative adjective, distributive adjective and compound adjective. So these are types of adjectives. Total 7. Now we have to see one by one. What is qualitative adjective? Which examples comes under that? Yes, let's see. First one is qualitative, or you can say that descriptive adjective. So that what they can do, these qualitative adjectives used to describe the quality of the person or thing. Or for example, we can show the quality, its size, general description like physical, age, shape, color, material, origin and purpose. So for describing quality of that particular person or things, we are using qualitative adjective. Now examples are there: tall, excellent, slim, young, square and plastic. These are the example, because we are, what we are doing here? Yes, we are describing the quality of that particular person or thing. Here example, the tall girl is my classmate. You can say that this tall is qualitative adjective because it is showing the quality, it is describing the quality of that girl. Yes. The student achieved excellent result. So here also excellent word is qualitative adjective, or you can say that this is adjective. So why? Because it is describing about the student achievement. Got it? Yes. Second one, see. Now quantitative adjective, quantity. You can see name itself, you can get the idea that is quantity. So to indicate the number of amount of things we are using quantitative adjective. Why? To indicate the number of or amount of things. Example, some, much, little, enough, all, no, any, whole and several. These words comes as a quantitative adjective. See, these words comes, or these words describe as a quantitative adjective because these are showing the quantity or indicating the particular quantity of that particular thing. Yes. Here example, she found many pens under the table. Many means it is showing the quantity of the pens. Yes. Next, there was no milk in the jug. No milk. No milk means also quantity. This is describing the quantity. Next, there are 37 students in this class. 37, how many? Yes, 37. So it is showing the quantity. Got it? So it is called as quantitative adjective because it indicates the quantity or number of the things. Next example, or next the type, third type we have to see here. Yes, demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative. This demonstrative already we have learned in pronoun. Yes. So demonstrative means, what is the mean of the demonstrative? Yes, to pointing out the noun. So demonstrative adjectives are using to pointing out the noun. See here examples of the demonstrative adjectives: these, that, those, and these. So if it is a distance, near distance, so which words are using? Yes, this or these. And if the distance is far, that time we are using that and those. So here example: this is my friend Dina. So this, those books belongs to her. So these words are called as demonstrative adjective because we are pointing out. Yes, we are pointing out to the noun. Got it? Yes. Next type, that is interrogative. Interrogative itself, you know which things comes under that? Yes, interrogative adjectives we are using with the noun to ask a question. Yes, so which words comes under that? WH5. WH5 means which? What, whose, where, why, which, and how. These are called as W5H. So interrogative adjective, why we are using? We are using with the noun to ask a question. So let's see the example. Yes. Whose pen is this? Whose word is called as interrogative adjective. Which way shall we go? Which also interrogative adjective. Got it? Next type. See here. Possessive adjectives. Possessive. I already told you. Yes, possessive means what? It is showing the possession. Yes. So this adjective used to show possession. Which words comes there? See, my, your, his, her, are, their, and its. These words are called as possessive adjective. When we are using in sentences, these are called as possessive adjective. Let's see example. This is her hat. This is her hat. Okay, so her. Her means it is showing possession, or you can say that it is showing the ownership because that hat is hers. Yes. Next one. Their parents came to my house yesterday. There also possessive adjective. Even my house. Yes, because it's showing the possession. Yes. So my also possessive adjective. Next one. Yes, distributive adjective. Distributive adjective means what? Yes, distributive adjectives are used to show that the person or things are counted collectively. Yes, even normally used with singular nouns. Distributive adjectives, they are normally used with the singular noun. Even they refers to member of a group as an individual. Yes, so they refers to member of a group as individual. So examples: each, every, either, and neither. These words are called as distributive adjective. Why? Because these words are using to show the person or things are counted collectively. If we want to count a particular thing collectively, we are using distributive adjective. Next example. Each participant was asked to complete a survey. Each participant was asked to complete a survey. Each. In that each means everybody. Each and every participant. Yes. So here number of persons are there, but we are using collectively. Yes. For counting collectively, only one word we are using, each. Each means they may be 50, they may be 30. Yes. So for that we are using each. Next. Either of these movies would be interesting to me. Either. Either of these movies means, see here, lots of movie he is explaining, he is describing about lots of movies, but either he is using. Got it? So this each, either, and here neither and every, these words are called as distributive adjective. Then the last type is compound adjective. Compound means what? See here, compound means it is made up of two or more words. Yes, made up of two or more words. See here, even it often linked together with hyphens to link the words together to show that it is one adjective. Why? See, it is often linked with the hyphen. In between, we are using hyphen. Hyphen means what, you know? Yes, a small dash between two words. That hyphen is using for link the word together. Yes, so it is called as one adjective. Huh? So compound adjectives example. See, lightweight. My watch is lightweight. Duty free. 4 foot. Part time. I am doing part time job. Cold blooded. Well behaved. My dog is well behaved. So for that, see, these two words are there, but we are using collectively. So it is called as compound adjective. And even when we are using two words collectively, we are giving hyphen between these two words. Hyphen means here dash, 4-foot. So this dash is called as hyphen. Example, we have to be open-minded about things. Open and minded. Yes, these were called as compound adjective. The lady is wearing a pair of high-heeled shoes. High-heeled. High-heeled also two words are there, but we are using collectively. Yes, and with the help of hyphen. So these are examples of compound adjective. Yes, dear students, hope you all understood. So what we learn here today? Yes, adjective. Adjective means what? Adjectives are those words used to describe a particular noun or things. Got it? So, which are the types of adjective? There are total 7 types of adjective. That is qualitative adjective, quantitative adjective, demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective, interrogative adjective, distributive adjective, and last one is compound adjective. What we have to do? After watching this video, you have to write down each and every type of the adjective, and for each and every type of adjective you have to write yes, one example. Okay, and you have to send it to me. Thank you. Till take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.